Want to keep your content organized and easy to access? Here's how to create a playlist on your Facebook page. Open your Facebook app, tap on the menu icon, go to your professional dashboard, scroll down and tap on Tools. Scroll until you see Playlist, tap on it, click the plus icon at the top right corner. Choose the type of playlist you want to create. In this case, I'll be creating a Reels playlist. Give your playlist a name. Tap the pencil icon to add a cover photo. Choose your playlist image. Click Save. Now, when you go back or refresh your page, your playlist will appear. To edit or rename a playlist, open the playlist. Tap the pencil icon. Click Edit Playlist. Make your changes. Tap Save. And that's it. Want more tips like this post? Share with your friends.